Human mind is a very, very complex phenomenon. It is wonderful, and no matter how much you study about it, you can never finish learning everything about the human mind. When it comes to trading, the biggest enemy you have is your own self. The reason is very simple. The way we want our mind to work, it does not work like that. The mind has not evolved over the last few thousand years. It is still helping us the way it helped us when we were just hunter and gatherers. When we were worried for our lives when we went out to hunt. And even when the brain or the mind feels threatened, it goes back to its old self and it does not care whether your life is really in danger or not. The part that controls this reaction in our brain is called as amygdala, and if you understand how it works correctly, you can use your mind and brain to your advantage in your trading. But if you don't, then every time you are trying to control your emotions, you are trying to control your mind to help you in trading, it will betray you and it will never let you succeed in trading. So if you are interested to learn more about how your brain and mind works and can help you in your trading, watch this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up. The algorithm likes it. It's a bias, okay? Our mind has that bias. It will create this kind of a situation for you every now and then where you will be drawn by the price, you will be drawn by the indicators, you will be drawn by things that are easy to observe, easy to spot on the charts, right? Because that is how our mind has evolved. Like I constantly go back to this, but human beings are, grossly overestimating their mental development of its brain. Yeah, our prefrontal cortex has improved, but it's a small part of the brain. All right, there is a big daddy sitting right in the middle of our brain that is called as the amygdala. All right, amygdala is, many people refer to it as the fear center. Better description is like our automatic reactions, the baser functions that we do, uh, is what comes from there. It's huge, right, compared to the prefrontal cortex. So when everything is fine, okay, when nothing is armchair politician or the living room politician or cricketer, when they are not under pressure, all right, Hardik Pandya should do this, Modi should do that, all right, when they are not when the gun is not pointing to them, it's very easy to use the prefrontal cortex and give very logical sounding arguments. The moment the pressure starts building, this prefrontal cortex is not in control. What is in control? The amygdala is in control. The stronger part of the brain, which has not evolved, by the way. It has not evolved, right? It has not evolved. It is still the same brain that it was, thousands and hundreds of thousands of years before. Its sole job is self-preservation. And how did it do that? By monitoring signs of predators, right? So you eat a berry in the wild and you die. The one who did not eat, he will store a picture of that in his mind and he will not touch it again and he will tell others not to touch it. But the cost was one person died, right? So the cost was too high. Uh, the preservation of the species was important. So that part of the brain has developed like it. It's very strong. No bloody education and the religion or whatever you bring, whatever human beings have developed, it's not going to help. It is much more basic. It is much simpler mechanism. It will not be affected by all this. So what you need to do is to learn to spot when it is taking control. So what happened with you is you are looking for signs. Uh, it is not going to be easy to ignore that. Next time you see some signs, your mind is automatically going to fall into that pattern and it's going to hijack everything. but you need to be aware when it is happening. That awareness also comes with time. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. You are going to make these mistakes, which sounds so silly after the fact, but when it is happening, it looks like it was the correct thing to do. So don't fall for all this. Try to understand the trader behavior, and that is going to change a lot of things for you. Okay, lot of things. So trust the process, give it some time, and then you will be able to spot all these things in real time. That is the most important thing. The progression takes time. People want to become successful trader the moment they pay me something. All right, so I'm not talking about you guys, but there are a few people who, let's say, I've paid you money, now I want to be a successful trader. It's, don't pay me money, I'll return your money back. I don't want your money. What will I do with the money, right? Unless and until you put in the work, unless and until you go through these experiences repeatedly, it's not going to be able to overpower the most powerful part of your brain. So it's not the mentor's fault. It's not the tool's fault. All right. It's just the way your brain is built. It's going to be difficult for you. But with a little guidance, it's possible. But you have to be patient and you have to give it time. All right. Because the other side is so beautiful that it's really beautiful. Like once you get through this early phase of struggle, the other side is so beautiful that you will never want to do anything else in your life. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. Now, if you like the content that I have shared so far, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated about future videos I'm going to share on this channel. Also, if you like the content I'm sharing in these videos, then I am sharing a ton more in my free complete trading framework newsletter. The link is in the description. Please do sign up for the newsletter. It's completely free. I don't sell you anything. It's just pure knowledge bombs dropping on you every week. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.